Good afternoon, classmates. My name is Tina Gote Santiago. I am an elementary school English teacher with over 20 years of human resources management experience, seeking a degree in public safety, administration, and management. My long-term goal is to be able to support the structural development of communities deeply impacted by natural disasters. I believe my experience, skills, and acquired knowledge will allow me the opportunity to support the development and structural integrity of school systems with aid from partners at a local, state, and federal level, with resources to ensure the educational foundations can withstand the disaster. Specifically, my goal is to work in Puerto Rico and help support after the many things that have occurred there. Thank you so much. I look forward to learning from each of you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.